Experience the enhanced situational awareness with Wavestore v6.38's Advanced Maps feature. Now, effortlessly manage up to 500 cameras per user, per site, across multiple operating systems. Visualize your entire site with precision. Upload custom images or floor plans, differentiating between levels for a comprehensive overview. Position cameras by dragging and dropping them onto your map. Instantly grasp camera status with color-coded icons: green for online, amber for offline, and red for alarm. Additionally, the icon for alarms improves situational awareness, and the map view can now be displayed on a separate monitor, boosting operational efficiency. Experience this feature up close and explore more of the latest version by scheduling your personalized demo with the Wavestore team at wavestore.com/demo.